Summer is here. Yay! I love traveling during the summer, and I travel a lot for work and for fun, but I make sure my skincare routine is on point. I always make sure I travel with my mini marvels, which are perfect for traveling, even for a short trip, because they're all TSA approved, so you can carry them in your hand luggage. So hydration is so important, especially when you're traveling, because traveling dehydrates your skin. So make sure you take the rose water and spray it all over. It smells so great, so you can use it time to time just to refreshen your face as well. We have to cleanse our face very well to wipe away all the impurities and dirt we get during traveling. I just take my turmeric face wash, which is so good for you because it's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and it evens out your skin tone. So make sure you wash your face. Next step, I tend to have very oily skin, so I like to exfoliate once a day because it evens out my skin tone and makes me feel fresh. So rub in the scrub all over your face. Don't forget your neck. And right after I wash my face, I make sure again I tone my face with the rose water toner. Like I said, you can use it as a refresher throughout the day, but it also does pH balance your skin, so it's very good for you right after you wash and cleanse and scrub. And the best part, there is no alcohol. And the final step is make sure you moisturize, and moisturize so you stay hydrated. I love the turmeric lotion. It's a lightweight lotion that doesn't feel heavy, especially during the summer months. Make sure you can moisturize all over. So make sure you grab your mini marvels and keep glowing no matter the time zone.